Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Mickey.
What do you have?
Glass of water.
Glass of water.
Bang, bang, you are dead. Wake up, you moron.
You got me.
Come over here. Sit down. You remember Ivan?
No.
Guy you saw me talking to. This guy. This guy.
Oh, yes. You guys had a little kiss.
Very funny. What would you say if I told you he was going to rob your cousin?
I'd say, what problem has he got with my cousin?
Hold on. Hey. Hey, gorgeous. No, I can't talk right now. What are you wearing? No, I mean underneath it. Great. Listen, I'll call you back, huh? Sorry.
Who was that?
Never you mind.
Was it Ivan?
Ooh, that's funny. You know, for a dumb yokel, you're a very funny guy.
Yes, and for an annoying dick, you're really an annoying dick.
Well, it's a real shame then that I'm the guy with the powerful friends, and you're the little punk whose only friends is some fat weasel who drives a fucking cab!
So, why is Ivan going to rob my cousin?
Because I want you to kill him.
What?
He's angered Mikhail, Mr. Faustin. Offended him. He thinks he's stealing some paperwork from her mom. You catch him and kill him. Then we say it was just a robbery that failed.
And what if I say, I don't want to be your hitman?
That Mr. Faustin will be very angry with you. And your cousin.
Okay.
I knew we would understand each other once I put it in this simple way. Now, go wait for him by the car depot. Hey, gorgeous. Yeah, where were we? Okay, now listen. Let's talk about tonight.
Fahr zu Romans Garage. Na gut. Mit dem Ding da, sag das. Und dieser Flat, gell? Langsam wieder lästig. In der Zeit darf man den Typen beseitigen. Roman. Ja, war nicht weit. Was sagt er? Der Ivan. Auf der Flucht. Das schau ich immer.
Rick Vlad making me kill this guy. Man!
Oh Gott. Eine Verfolgungsjagd. Komm, geht's weg da. Wird's eilig. Der hat da vorne schon.
Shit, you are starting to annoy me.
Ja, scheiße, mit dieser Kisten. Da komm ich nicht neu. Dann mach ich gescheit vor Radl. Meine Laterne. Super, leicht,
I
Kumpel.
wasn't sure about killing you when Vlad asked. Now I'm coming around
Moment.
to the idea.
Weiter, geh weg da.
Car!
Etwas erbremst, ha? Da die sagen. Oh Gott, mit dem Auto kann ich nicht driften. Eine Katastrophe.
What the fuck up, asshole?
So, wo ist denn der? Auf die Baustelle geflohen. Ach, da oben ist er. Hey, Ivan.
Shit!
Die ist Saudi. Was sagt der F? Auf geht's.
Thought everyone in this country was fat and slow. You trying to rob my cousin? Vlad's a bum. They set me up.
Wo ist er? Der fährt ganz schön schnell, ha?
Vlad don't like you no
Der Hund,
more,
der.
man. There's nothing in this town. Don't do this for him. Man, I'm starting to sweat. Shit.
Jetzt ist er schon da, Matt. Wow, schön. Ein Parcoursportler. Den kann ich feiern, Kumpel. Normalerweise. Weg das. Kann ich genauso. Der rennt wie ein Wahnsinniger.
Ah, there ain't nowhere left for you to run.
Ja, da ist er her. Jetzt haben wir ihn. Entscheide über Ivans Schicksal.
Please,
Rot oder blau?
you to kill me, right?
Auf E tue ich ihm auch verhelfen.
Nothing from your cousin.
Und bei Q hau ich noch weh.
No one's going to know that I'm...
Ja, warte
Get
mal.
up.
Jetzt mal anhören, was er zum Song hat.
Once you're dead, you can't be all bad. Stay out of Hove Beach.
Thank you. You won't regret this, man. I am out of here. Wanted to live anyway, get away from all these people from back home, get into the real America. You're never gonna see me around here again. I owe you my life, man. You're good, man. You're good, man. Thank you.
Ja gut, sag das. Wir sind da kommen, oder? Wie komme ich jetzt obi?
You won't be seeing your boyfriend Ivan no more. Oh, are you going to miss him?
No, I'm not. I'm getting enough pussy at the moment. I tell you, it's so much better if women already have a man, because you don't have to deal with all this shit all day. Take Mallory, for example.
Fuck you! You say this to my face and I will break you.
Ach so, per Leiter. Ja, geh obi. Sonst springe ich. Okay, kann jetzt zurück zu Roman. Schau mal diesen Polizisten noch. Tut der was? Hey, Herr Polizist. Oh Gott, er fühlt sich belästigt. Oh Gott, schön, ein Wahnsinniger. Bloß weggert. Da darfst dann irgendwann ein Polizist da schauen. Hat die gleich schießen. Der hinter mir, ha? Volle, geh weg. Die Schweine, die. Nicht mit mir. Jetzt habe ich allerdings die ganze Polizei im Haus. 3 Sterne. Oh Gott. Und ein Hubschrauber. Gottes Willen. Was habe ich gemacht? Ja, sag mal. Keine Autos mehr, schön. Bin ich deppert. Da ist einer. Weiter, steig aus. Ah, nicht flüchten. Außer da. Weg mit dem. Bin auf der Flucht. Was haben wir mit dem los? Was haben wir? Was möchte der von mir? Oh Gott! Jetzt jungs mich wie ein Bluthund. Ja, schnell weg da. Wo bin ich jetzt? Schnell weg da. Ich muss aus dem Radius raus. Der Mann bringt mich um. Oder ich fahre mit so Pay and Spray. Da ist er wieder. Pass auf, Abkürzung. Ja, sag mal. Der Opa. Die Flucht durch den Park. Irgendwie. Keine Panik, Bub. Bin bloß ich. Das Problem ist, mein Fahrzeug ist beschädigt. Jetzt schießen schon. Oder ich fahr da rein, ha? Geht das? Geht genauso.
Hey, what's wrong?
Yeah, cousin. Bullshit.
What's bullshit?
Mallory.
Oh, what about her?
I like her. I really like her.
But you keep messing around with other women.
Yeah. No. I think she's messing around with Vlad. I saw his car parked outside her place the other day.
Yeah.
You knew?
I had suspicions.
You fucking knew?
What was I going to say?
You knew my woman was banging this warthog and you didn't do anything?
I didn't-
Didn't say anything?
I didn't know.
You're an asshole, Nico Bellic! A disloyal user! After what I did for you, you dick! You fucking dick!
I'm sorry.
Screw you!
All right, so you want me to deal with it right now?
No. Sit down.
No! I'm not going to stand here and have you call me disloyal. You might let some Russian asswipe bang your woman, but I won't.
But you fucking did!
That was before I knew you cared. You always were a hypocrite.
Nico, wait. Don't do anything stupid. Wait for me!
Okay, wir gehen jetzt zu der Bar von Vlad. Jawohl. Jetzt werden wir die Sache aufmischen. Halt die Schnauze. Geh mit. Den knüpfen wir uns jetzt vor.
Don't do anything stupid, cousin!
Nothing as stupid as letting that fat swine give it to Mallory.
Hey, it happens! We have an open relationship. I do my thing, she does hers. Maybe next time I might watch them at it. Oh, don't watch! Fat, hairy, sweaty back going up and down. I can't take it! How could she do this?
I knew you cared. I have to do this.
Okay, Roman. Kneif die Arschbacken zusammen. Den knüpfen wir uns jetzt vor. Aber jetzt mal an Frankfurter. Her damit. One bitte. Der Roman braucht keinen.
Gracias for your business.
Sag das, wieder fit. Und jetzt gehen wir an die Arbeit.
Nico, you have to think this through.
Stay out here. Let the big boys have their conversation inside.
Give me a drink. Anyway.
Got it.
Я говорю, про капусту. Зачем нужно жрать капусту, если есть картошка?
Hey,
Картошка!
bloody boy! I'd like a word with you.
What are you doing here? Did I summon you? Boy?
I told you to stay away from Mallory.
Ah, go away!
And now Roman is upset.
Oh, Roman is upset.
Excuse me.
Do you think I give a fuck, peasant? Oh, there he is. Hey, Vladdy, I'm so sorry you're so upset. Oh, poor fucking whore.
Hey, Vlad, can't we just talk about this?
You stay away from Mallory.
I must be hearing things. I could have sworn for a minute this ratty little yokel told me what to do. Did you hear that, boy?
Yeah.
Now, get them out of here.
Come on, come on.
Get back outside, Roman.
Okay, Freunde. Kurzer Prozess. Da dauert nicht lang rum. Wo ist denn der raus? Was? Ah, da raus. Diese Sau. Er flüchtet.
Both going after him, Roman.
Ja, sag mal. Au, jetzt hat er mich angefahren. Geh raus da. Vlad, der kommt. Ja, der trödelt so lang. Halt die Schnauze.
Great, you lost Vlad. He's probably going back
Was
to
hab ich?
Mallory's for a post-drive screw.
Jetzt ist er davor gekommen. Schau da, dieser. Ja, das ist eine Scheiße, ha?
This is fate telling us to give up, cousin.
I decide when I will give up on something, cousin. Fuck, 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 fuck!
Ja, der will allerdings die Mission nochmal machen. Nochmal. Halt das, da sind wir schon wieder. Das heißt, die ganze Nummer noch von vorne.
Tell me you're just blowing off some steam. You're going for a little drive. You're going to leave Vlad alone, right?
Steig ein, wieder.
Cousin, this is crazy. We got each other. We don't need women in our lives. I'm getting tired of Mallory. She's too old for me
Alter, geh
anyway.
weg.
You have been pushed around too much, Roman. You let these people use you. Use me. They will not use Mallory as well. She is too good for them.
She's too good for me. Vlad should have her.
I will show Vladdy what he can have.
Okay. Himmel gibt's keinen Hotdog. Geh mal gleich rein.
Wait, Nico, you have to think this.
Give me a drink. Anyway.
Get back outside, Roman.
Watch your...
Weg der Burm. Hier muss man diesen Typen packen. Ich befürchte, die Reifen habe ich nicht getroffen.
We are going to catch Vlad, Roman.
Jesus!
Okay, Roman, halt dich fest. Den kriegen wir.
All right, he's running away. We win. Let's go home.
I'm not walking away until this thing is finished.
It is finished. He's running. We won't see him again.
He'll come back. The only thing that will hold him down is 6 feet of dirt.
Forget about Mallory. Plans change, and you know, when Vlad is done with her.
Grow a fucking spine. You think Vlad won't come after us when I am chasing him like this? I have to end it, here and now.
Shit, I don't like this. Fuck, fuck.
Ja, dieser Roman, ha? Ein Märchenerzähler. Ja, sag mal, wo ist denn der? Da vorne hat. Der ist ganz schön schnell, ha? Aber jetzt komm ich.
Calm down. Shit.
Was hat der? Einen Unfall
Keep your
gebaut.
head down. I'm going to finish this.
Stop, Nico. Shit.
Ah, da ist er. Roman. Du wartest einmal.
You've killed yourself and your cousin, Yokel. You are dead man. Fucking Yokel! You think you can get away with killing me?
I guess I'll find out.
You think this is worth it? You are throwing you and your fatty cousin's lives away for that bit of Puerto Rican chocha!
I'm throwing your life away, prick. We'll do all right.
My friends will track you down! You won't last a moment!
I'll last longer than you will, shithead.
Fuck you! I wish I could be there to watch Mikhail cut your peasant balls off! You've killed yourself and your cousin, Yokel. You are dead man. Mikhail falsely thought of me
Nein.
as a brother.
Jetzt nimm mir die
Get
Schrotflinte.
revenge.
Wo ist denn der Roman? Achso, der mag gar nicht zuschauen. Ja gut, scheißegal.
You've killed yourself
Und ich darf
and
mal
your
sagen,
cousin,
die Sau muss
Yokel.
weggert.
Ah, you're a big boy, Vladdy.
Nico.
Well, I guess this is over.
What have you done?
What does it look like?
We're dead.
No, he's dead. We're fine.
He has powerful friends. Serious people. I told you to be calm. You halted and jumped.
I am calm. He tried to kill us. He screwed your girlfriend. What do you expect? I give him a massage?
Shit. Shit.
When I was in the army, we were going on a mission to ambush a squad who had killed a lot of innocent people. They were our enemies. But we never did it. There were 15 of us, all boys from the village. But one of us betrayed the group. It was a setup. For money. 12 people died. 3 escaped. I know the traitor was not me. So for 10 years, I've been searching for the other 2. One of them lives here.
Why are you telling me this now? Do you always get sentimental after you kill people?
You kept asking.
Wonderful. You're here on some revenge mission for something that happened 10 years ago, and you don't care whose life you ruin anyway.
No,
Well, what?
I don't know. I just want to know why they did it.
All Right now, I don't think you're going to find out. Let's hide the body, at least for a while.
Put him in the river.
If Faustin is going to kill us. Shit. We should get out of here.
You go. I'll catch up with you later.